Good morning. Today is Tuesday, July 1st. Boy, if you can believe that. First trading day of July already. We are talking about Goldman Sachs, GS. If you recall, on yesterday's video, I talked about Goldman Sachs. I talked about how 3 consecutive days, right, yesterday, Monday, and then Friday and Thursday of last week, the lows of the trading day was identical. 3 days straight. You rarely see that on a daily chart. The lows were 166.37 3 days straight. The lows were right in the blue action zone. And if you look at the white horizontal lines, they represent areas of potential prior support and resistance, right? Resistance becomes support once broken to the upside, and we pull back down into these areas right in here, right? So about a month ago, Craig Hill and I did a live class on what we call the opening bell income strategy, and this play was mostly due to that strategy that we teach. And not only does it work on day trading the E-mini S&P 500, but it works on any time frame and any chart if you know what to look for. So basically, it pulled back into this key trade zone in here, right? And so we put on a trade yesterday. But if you didn't take that trade yesterday, what presented itself even better was on the opening today. The market opened up a point lower. The market closed. Let's look at a 1-minute chart so we can see what happened this morning. A great trade to the long side first thing this morning. Let's look at a 1-minute chart so you can really see this. Look at this. The market closed yesterday. Right? This is a 1-minute Goldman Sachs chart. It closed at 167.49, and look at where it opened. It opened up into that key trade zone immediately, right? It opened up at 166.09, okay, 166.09 near the low of the day, and ran up. So since it opened up in that key trade zone, that was a buy. So not only is a daily chart pointing to a buy, but when you get the opening that is lower into that key zone, you could buy that right out of the gate. Again, the market closed at 167.49 and opened up immediately 166.09, traded down to 166.05, and then shot up like a rocket. And these are the trades that we teach in that opening bell income strategy. Again, you don't have to be day trading the E-mini S&P 500 futures. You can really trade any market, and this just happened to present itself nicely on the Goldman Sachs chart. And if you happen to be there and saw this, you could have jumped on this morning in the first couple minutes of trading and taken and rode this to the upside. So I just wanted to show you that real quickly today. So let's take a look at a daily chart real quickly here. And as you can see, and you've heard me talk about this in the past, but we've got an engulfing pattern today, right? We opened up lower, and if you were on it, you saw that it opened up within that key trade zone where you could have been looking to go long, right? If you didn't position yourself yesterday to go long, and the market has rallied up to 167.68, the market has taken out the last 3 days high, 3 days highs, right? And on the opening, it took out the last 3 days lows. So if this market closes in the top quarter of its price range today, then I believe this market continues moving higher. Now, the market right now, the E-mini S&P 500 futures, pretty much testing the all-time highs right now. We're within a point of the all-time highs in the E-mini futures market. So that's one of the reasons why Goldman Sachs is acting strong today as well. All right. So again, hope that helps. Make some money today, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.